In the heart of Granada rises one of the world's most enchanting wonders, the Alhambra. Fortress, palace, and garden, it stands as a living testimony to centuries of history, art, and culture woven together. Our journey begins at the Alcazaba, the oldest part of the complex. Its massive towers once defended the city, while today they offer breathtaking views over Granada and the snow-capped Sierra Nevada mountains. Next, we arrive at the Partalile Gardens. Here, shaded pathways, Moorish arches, and reflecting pools blend seamlessly with nature, creating an oasis of tranquility and timeless beauty. The path leads to the Generalife, the Sultan's summer retreat. Flowing fountains, trickling canals, and lush gardens evoke the image of a terrestrial paradise. This was a sanctuary of rest and contemplation, where water and greenery symbolized life, refinement, and spiritual harmony. Beside the Islamic legacy stands the Renaissance Palace of Charles V. Its bold circular courtyard represents a new era, an architectural dialogue between two worlds, two cultures, and two visions of beauty. At the very heart of the Alhambra lie the Nasrid Palaces, the jewel of Andalusian Islamic art. Every hall and courtyard reveals exquisite stucco carvings, intricate geometric patterns, and a masterful play of light and shadow. From the serene court of the Myrtles, where the water mirrors the palace walls, to the iconic court of the Lions, with its 12 marble lions guarding the central fountain, every space embodies elegance and symbolism. The Hall of the Ambassadors and the royal chambers echo the power, poetry, and sophistication of the Nasrid dynasty. The journey ends at El Partalile, with its graceful portico and gardens stretching all around. Water reflects arches and columns, while the surrounding greenery offers peace, a constant dialogue between architecture and nature. The Alhambra is more than a monument. It is an experience where history and art converge into timeless beauty. A journey that leaves a lasting impression on all who behold it.